Welcome to my hometown, Dingle. How the town was established. Dingle started as a pre-colonial settlement of Sumandig, which was under the jurisdiction of Simsiman, a pueblo of Laglag. The settlement was also known as Sibukaw, Baong, and Orvat. The Augustinian priest, Father Francisco Manuel Blanco, first founded Dingle as a visita of Pototan in 1593. Dingle became independent on April 23, 1611. In 1629, however, it was annexed to Dumangas, Iloilo, and to Dueñas, Iloilo in 1641 until 1825. On August 16, 1850, by order of Governor General of the Philippines Antonio D. Orbis Tondo, Dingle again became independent and was officially named the town of Dingle. The first town head was Julio de Toro, 1823 to 1827. Significant people and local heroes. The Augustinian priest, Father Francisco Manuel Blanco, first founded Dingle as a visita of Pototan in 1593. A Spanish friar and botanist, born in Navaños de Alba, Castilla y Leon, Spain. Author of the first comprehensive flora of the Philippines, Flora de Filipinas. General Adriano Dayot Hernandez, born September 8, 1870. Died February 16, 1925 at the age of 54. A Filipino revolutionary patriot and military strategist during the Philippine Revolutionary and the Philippine-American War. Led the first stage armed uprising in the province of Iloilo in October 28, 1898, Cry of Lingkod. He was designed Chief of Staff of the Revolutionary Government in the Visayas in November 1898. Julio Hernandez accompanied General Adriano Hernandez on the first stage armed uprising in the province of Iloilo. Nicolas Roses accompanied General Adriano Hernandez on the first stage armed uprising in the province of Iloilo. Father Fernando Lorente ordered the construction of the Dingle Catholic Church, which was completed in 1886. Guillermo Gomez Rivera, Filipino rights journalist, poet, playwright, historian, and linguist. Merly M. Alonan, a Don Carlos Palanca Memorial Awardee for Literature. Nancy Dianio, Olympic competitor, swimming. Jose S. Palma, current Archbishop of Cebu and former President of the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines. Geography. Dingle is a third-class municipal in the province of Iloilo, Philippines. The topography of Dingle is relatively rolling hills and narrow plain from the population. The flatlands extend along the Halwa River through its borderline to the southeast. This starts to roll upward from the population going to the northwest. From the west of the population rises the slopes, steep, and mountainous areas. This indicates that the topography of Dingle meets a certain type cropping pattern. Land area 98.37 km, 37.98 square meter. Population 45,965. Livelihood. Most of the residents in the town of Dingle rely on agriculture and livestock. Culture. Festivals. The Dingle Town Fiesta is celebrated every 24th day of June in honor of its patron Saint John the Baptist. The Pagdihon Festival is a celebration in commemoration of the Cry of Lingkod, the first revolt against the Spaniards in Panay. It is held every fourth week of October. The festival acknowledges 144 years of peace with a celebration of art, performance, music, history, community, friendship, and family. More and more arts-based activities and attraction drawing together each year. To create this event, it is also feature a week-long celebration of fun, family-oriented education event promoting local food and preservation of culture and heritage. Pagdihon Festival combines meaning and memory into an event that offers something for the entire Ilonggos. Infrastructure. Alwar Irrigation Dam or Moroboro Dam. The Panay Diesel Power Plant located at Tinokwan. Two natural springs, Dalabong Tubig and Talinab serve as water source for the Dingle Pototan Water District. Tourist attractions. The Moroboro Suspension Bridge is a ruined post-World War II bridge that traverses the Halwa River. Ampasica is a 13-hectare Girl Scout campsite. Camp Hernandez is a 37-hectare military training camp of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, named in the honor of Revolutionary Hero General Adriano D. Hernandez. Bulabog Putia National Park is the only limestone rock formation on Panay. It was designated a national park through Congressional Bill No. 1651 and such as considered a national significant area. It occupies a land area of 834.03 hectares covering 5 of the 33 barangays of Dingle. History site. Memorial to the Cry of Lingkod Heroes. The Cry of Lingkod monument is a neoclassical sculpture of General Hernandez. It was built to honor the patriotism and heroic deeds of our own local hero. Dingle Parish Church, finished in 1866. This church is a fine example of Filipino Baroque adaptation. It is made of limestone from the Bulabog Mountain, painstakingly carried by the early prisoners through narrow, steep, and dangerous trails to the present site. References.